Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to find your blocked list on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear. Here, click on Activity Log to proceed. Now, you'll be taken to a page that organizes all your Facebook activities. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu labeled Connections. Click on it to expand the options. Under Connections, choose Friends. This section provides various tools for managing your interactions with others on Facebook. Finally, scroll down and click on Blocked. This will display your entire blocked list, showing all the users you've blocked on Facebook. If needed, you can manage this list by unblocking users or simply reviewing who's there. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can easily access and manage your blocked list on Facebook right from your PC. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful.